the Supreme Court of India lambasts the Tamil Nadu governor Ravi, slams the governor for stalling the induction of Pandmudi. Supreme Court says the governor must correct the constitutional wrong. Tamil Nadu governor has time up until tomorrow. Warns of action if the governor defies. Big boost for Stalin in the war against the governor. Remember, Governor Ravi had refused to, in fact, administer oath of office to Pandmudi. Minister Pandmudi. The court has now intervened. Shilpa Nair getting asked more details on that matter. This is a huge victory for Stalin as far as the war between the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin and the Governor Ravi there is concerned. Shilpa.
Well, that's right. In fact, this is a huge victory for the DMK government and a huge embarrassment for the Tamil Nadu governor because the Supreme Court today has slammed the Tamil Nadu governor Ravi for refusing to re-induct K Ponmudi into the Tamil Nadu cabinet. The entire issue started, Sneha, when K Ponmudi, of course, he was serving as the higher education minister in the DMK government. But recently, he was convicted by the Madras High Court in a disproportionate assets case. Due to his conviction, he was disqualified as an MLA and he also lost his cabinet berth. But Pandmudi, of course, appealed in the Supreme Court and the Supreme Court stayed his conviction and suspended his sentence, after which Pandmudi was reinstated as the MLA and Chief Minister M.K. Stalin had requested the governor to administer the oath of office to K Ponmudi. But Governor Ravi said that it is against constitutional morality to reinstate someone like Pandmudi who was convicted by the court in a corruption case, and that was the grounds given by the governor. Following this, the Tamil Nadu government approached the Supreme Court, and it is in this case now that the Supreme Court has really made some very strong observations against the governor. In fact, I'm just going to read out some of these observations that the Chief Justice of India made against the governor. The Chief Justice says, how can the governor say that the reinduction of Pandmudi will be against constitutional morality when the Supreme Court has stayed the conviction? How can the governor defend this constitutionally illegal conduct? We cannot close our eyes to this. The Chief Justice, of course, went on to say that once we have stayed his conviction, that is Pandmudi's conviction, how can the governor write a letter like this and say it's against constitutional morality? And the Supreme Court, of course, has now given time for the governor till tomorrow. And the Chief Justice of India, of course, said that what does a state do when the governor does not follow the constitution? We are seriously concerned about the conduct of the governor in this case. He is defying the Supreme Court of India, and we'll give the governor a chance till tomorrow to right this constitutional wrong. If you don't hear something positive from him by tomorrow, we will pass an order. So very, very strong words coming in from the side of the Supreme Court against the governor, Governor Ravi. We are, of course, awaiting a response from the Raj Bhavan as to what they have to say on the Supreme Court order. But the Tamil Nadu government approached the Supreme Court saying that the governor is trying to run a parallel government, and this is not the first time that the state government has approached the Supreme Court against the governor.
And the face-off there continues, Shilpa, as far as the Tamil Nadu governor and the Tamil Nadu government there is concerned. Thanking you for the moment.